Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Apple's AirTags. So my AirTags came a few moments ago, and I've been playing around with them and setting them up. So here are my initial thoughts and unboxing. So first, we gotta unbox these little guys. So, okay, unboxing time. Apple's AirTags are, they're tile-like trackers. So if you know what tile is, it's basically the same thing, but from Apple. It is built into Find My app with tight integration with the Find My network, as well as allows for precision finding using the U1 chip in the iPhone 11 and 12 series. And they're pretty cool so far. So they are small. They're about like the size of a quarter, I'd say. I got a 4-pack and engraved all 4 of them. So we have my initials, IA, the emoji with it sticking out its tongue, and an eye closed, the thumbs up, as well as the fist bump. So now, there are also a slew of accessories that Apple came out with. Like the one I have here is the leather keyring. So let's take a look at this as well. So in the box you get just the leather keyring. Once you open it, you see that it's just the leather keyring. So you open the button, put the AirTag in, close the button, and then you can put it on your keys. So I did that after the fact. I didn't put it on because I actually didn't know where my keys were, ironically. But hey, now I can find them. So what I love about these is their integration with the Find My network and really every Apple and the Apple ecosystem. So I could say, "Hey Siri, where's my wallet?"
Looking for Ian's wallet.
And then it'll play a ping it'll play a sound, which we should hear.
It's nearby.
I hear it pinging.
Pinging Ian's wallet now.
Hey Siri, I found it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then just like that, you can stop it or go into the Find My app on your iPhone. So I did that with my conveniently placed HomePod Mini right here on my desk. And, well, it worked great with Siri. Now, with watchOS 8, we do get it added into the Apple Watch, which I do feel like they kind of missed the opportunity to add it ahead of time with watchOS 7.4 or an update like that, as they added it into iOS 14.5. So I feel like they would have done it in a great way. And the setup for these are actually pretty cool. So you just pull out the little tab, you pull off the little plastic and pull out the tab, and then it makes a cute little chime. And then once it makes that chime, you bring it near your iPhone and set it up similar to AirPods. So I was gonna say, I got the 4-pack because, well, I put one in my wallet, one in my keys, one on my backpack, and then I just have the little extra guy that I'm gonna use wherever I need it. So far, I'm a really big fan of them, just because of how convenient it is, and also it's like, oh, I found this, or oh, I know where that is at all times, as I can just go on my iPhone into the Find My app, and I can see where everything is located. Or if I can't find something, I can just play a sound on it, and I'll hear a cute little chirp. And the battery life in these do last for a year, so you can replace them in a year, and they're not rechargeable. They're kind of, you just take out the coin-sized battery and throw it out. So I do gotta say, I give them major props for having them last a year, and then just kind of like disposing of the battery, because I feel like that's great. And well, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.